Hey guys, this is just a quick PC build tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to get a budget PC for under £300. This is by far the best budget PC I've came across or I've seen so far. It's for £300, like I said, well, under £300. So I want you to take a serious look at it and tell me what you think. So first off, I'm going to take the CPU, because the CPU is one of the most important elements of any PC build. And we're going to look for the AMD FX 4100, there we go, 4130, sorry. So there we go, we've got the FX AMD, and we're going to look for the motherboard. Motherboard is also quite good. We're going to make this one, we're going to take this one here. We're going to take the Gigabyte because it's got 32GB and 4 RAM slots, which is upgradable. So if you feel you want to add more RAM to this, that is, feel free to. Now your memory, otherwise known as the RAM. Today we're going to take the Crucial Ballistix Sport. We're going to take the DDR3. We're going to take the 1300 one. I'm going to double click that. I'm going to take this one because it's compatible with this motherboard. So yeah. Now we're going to go for storage. We're going to take 1TB because 1TB is going to be enough to fill it with quite a few games if it's going to be a gaming PC. We're going to take the Seagate one. That's 1TB. We're going to take that. Now your video card. Video card's the the graphics card, and it's one of the most important things. In fact, no, it is the most important things for your gaming wise. But you're going to take the GTX 650, which is here, and you'll get that for $79.99, which is pretty cheap considering it's a GTX 650 and it's 1GB. So I'd recommend getting that. Now your case. That's going to be the Zalman, and we're going to pick that up for £19.14. And now the power supply. You're going to need to find a power supply that's capable of powering this machine, and we're going to take the Corsair one, the 430AW, or the 430 watt, and it's going to be semi-modular, which is better for cable management. So you're going to pick that up for £37.30, and that, no, that's not it. We're going to take an optical drive, DVD drive, and we're going to take the Lighton iHaz. And you're going to pick that up for £12.65, which is really quite good. And this is your PC. I've not added in an operating system. You can add your own operating system at your own, if you know what I mean. So there you go, there's your PC build. That's 293. If you want to get another stick of RAM and just bump it up so it's just over £300, that's going to be a 6GB. It's going to make it that little bit better for handling processes. Well, not processes, but applications. So this is your PC build. This is it in total. This PC is well capable of running like games like Call of Duty. I wouldn't say Battlefield. Maybe play Battlefield on high settings to medium. I wouldn't go ultra because it's going to be quite laggy. But games like Minecraft, Call of Duty, Garry's Mod, Counter-Strike, just medium gaming level will be, this PC will suffice. It'll do the job, and it's upgradable, so you can upgrade it as you go if you've not got the funds at the current time to get a better computer. This is one that you could use as a subsidiary, fuck it, yeah, forget that word, scratch it, can't remember it. But this will do in the meantime as you come to upgrade your PC in the future. So I would recommend looking at this and have a serious look, because it is, like I say, it's quite a well built PC. It's got all the components you need that are going to do the job for you. So that's it.